In the emergence of the 21st century, an increasing number of technologies has widely spread across various domains, particularly in education. Technological advancement have revolutionized teaching and learning methods. The integration of technology in education has proven to be highly efficient, with teachers frequently incorporating it into their assessment practices. Now, before we go deeper in this lesson, I would like you to have an activity.
So now let's discuss the different types of assessment. So there are different types of assessment, but let us focus on the three assessment, which are the formative assessment, summative assessment, and diagnostic assessment. So let's begin with formative assessment. So formative assessment is a form of assessment that occurs during the learning process. So the main purpose of this assessment is to assist the students' understanding about the specific topic or lesson in a short period of time. The common example of formative assessment is the daily quizzes. So now let's move to summative assessment. So summative assessment is a form of assessment that occurs at the end of the unit, course, or the period or academic period, and evaluates the student's outcome and achievements. Summative assessment can occur occasionally. It might be once a week, or once in a quarter, or once in a semester. So the common examples of this type of assessment are the long quizzes, quarterly examination, or midterm examination or final examination. Let's focus on diagnostic assessment. So the main purpose of this type of assessment is to help teachers understand where each student stands in terms of their skills and knowledge before diving into teaching. So one of the common example of this type of assessment is the pretest.
The incorporation and utilizations of innovative technologies across various types of assessments support students in their assessment and facilitates effective student learning. Through the integration of these technologies, educators can proficiently evaluate students' progress.
What are the role of innovative technologies in assessment tasks in teaching and learning? Innovative technologies and education as a pedagogical approach aims to support and improve the quality of education while maintaining the authenticity in the learning process. The following are the roles of innovative technologies in assessment tasks in teaching and learning. First, enhancing engagement. Innovative technologies make tests more fun. It adds games, videos, and simulations, making tests more interactive and enjoyable. The engaging nature of this technology motivates students to actively participate and demonstrate their learning, leading to increased engagement and retention of knowledge. Second, personalized assessment. Innovative technologies can make tests fit each student's needs. It can adjust the difficulty of the questions or give feedback based on how well a student is doing. This way, every student gets the right challenge and support. Third, real-time feedback. With the innovative technologies, students get the feedback right away. They find out if they got the answers right or wrong, which helps them understand and fix the mistakes quickly. This helps them learn better and keep on improving. Fourth, data-driven insights. Innovative technologies gathers a lot of data during tests. Teachers can use this data to see where students need help, what mistakes are common, and change how they teach. This helps the teachers and students improve together. Lastly, authentic assessment. Innovative technologies let students tackle real-life problems in tests. They can use simulations or virtual reality to apply what they've learned. This kind of test helps students prepare for challenges in their lives and jobs. To sum it all up, innovative technologies in assessment thus enhances engagement, personalized assessments, provide a real-time feedback, offer valuable data-driven insights, and promote authentic assessment. By incorporating these technologies, educators can create more effective and meaningful assessments experiences that support student learning and growth.
Now, we're going to talk about some examples of innovative technologies in assessment tasks in teaching and learning. Number 1, online quizzes and polls. So they are web-based platforms that allow for the creation of interactive quizzes, tests, and surveys with immediate feedback using online platforms such as Google Forms, Kahoot, or Quizlet to create and administer quizzes and polls in different formats, such as multiple choice, true or false, matching, or short answer. An example scenario that can be applied is using Google Forms to assess students' understanding of an English literature lesson through a fun, engaging quiz. Number 2 is portfolios and e-portfolios are ways to use technology to assess student learning through a collection of artifacts that demonstrate growth, achievement, and reflection using online platforms such as Seesaw, Google Sites, or WordPress to create and manage portfolios and e-portfolios that showcase student work such as essays, projects, videos, or podcasts. One exact example scenario is the BSET English 2 students of Bohol Island State University, Kandy High Campus have started using Google Sites to create their portfolios. Instead of just turning in papers, they can add all kinds of things to their online scrapbooks like writing samples, presentation videos, and photos of their projects. Number 3. Game-based assessments. They are educational games that engage students in interactive, skill-based challenges to evaluate their understanding and application of concepts like quizzes and Edmodo. Example: Mrs. Johnson uses quizzes to conduct a fun and interactive review session on sound structure, allowing her grade 7 students to compete and learn simultaneously. Number 4. Rubrics and checklists are ways to use technology to assess student learning through a set of criteria, standards, and expectations that guide and evaluate performance using online platforms such as Google Sheets, Rubistar, or iRubric to create and share rubrics and checklists that define the quality and requirements of student work, such as content, organization, presentation, or creativity. This innovation, one that could relate to is Miss Smith, an English teacher, uses iRubric and Google Sheets to create a comprehensive checklist, rubric, and checklist for assessing her students' persuasive writing assignments to ensure clear evaluation criteria and efficient grading.
Number 5 is video presentation and demonstration, allowing students to create video recordings or their presentations, experiments, or performances for assessment and provides opportunities for teachers to leverage their own video library as well as video sources like YouTube and the class to drive home their lesson plan and make the teaching dynamic and interesting. For example, asking students to submit a video demonstration of their science project to showcase their understanding and problem-solving skills. Number 6 is online collaboration and peer assessment. These online collaboration and peer assessment tools that enable students to collaborate on a group projects and provide peer feedback in real time using online platforms such as Google Meet, Google Docs, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams. For example, using Google Docs for students to work together on a research paper and provide constructive feedback to each other. Number 7, learning management systems are web-based systems that incorporate a wide range of teaching and course administration tools, create virtual learning environments, and provide features that enables instructors or students to share materials, submit and return assignments, and communicate online. Notable examples are Google Classroom, Blackboard, Canva LMS, Moodle, and many more. For example, Mrs. Thompson uses Google Classroom to easily distribute assignments, allowing her students to access and complete their homework online from any device. She can also effortlessly provide comments or feedback on their work and track their progress in her math class.